In what could be termed as a rare event, a silent protest led by Khetragaon MLA Sheikh Noorul Hassan stormed the Imphal East DC complex and met with Additional Deputy Commissioner demanding the disbursement of an Nfsa rice in his constituency. A large number of supporters accompanied the MLA from his residence in Top Khetragaon to the DC complex. Despite the District Commissioner being unavailable, MLA Hassan highlighted the hardships faced by his constituents due to the delayed Nfsa rice distribution, pressing the Additional Deputy Commissioner for immediate action. Prior to the demonstration, MLA Sheikh Noorul Hassan expressed to the media his disappointment with the government and the CAF and PD department for neglecting his constituency. He pointed out that despite assurances from the Chief Minister to expedite the Nfsa rice distribution, the CAF and PD department and the district supply officer had not fulfilled their promises even after the deadline had passed. He stressed that although he tried to discuss the matter with DSOs, they had been playing blame game amongst themselves. MLA Noorul Hassan further appealed to the authority concerned to expedite the distribution of Nfsa rice without further delay.
I have been keep on communicating with the DC concerned, and the DC said that it will be distributed after appointment of the new fair price of agent. Now, yesterday, by that back, the DC concerned has passed an order appointing 23 fair price of agent. And today's public protest is seeking an urgent intervention from the district administration and requesting through media's friend to the concerned minister, concerned authorities and to the Honorable Chief Minister to pay extra vigilance on this issue and kindly distribute the pending 8 months Nfsa beneficiaries PDS rice quota to all the 23 shopkeepers and let the distribution be carried out in the next 1-2 days.